So you need a new roof, huh? Don't you wish shingles could last forever instead of 15 to 25 years? Well, have you heard about these new 50-year warranties being offered by roofing manufacturers? You can seriously buy one now and get your next roof free. Allow us to explain. 50-year warranties for residential and commercial properties. GAF and Owens Corning are the two largest manufacturers of shingle roofing products in the world. Within the past few years, these companies have started offering 50-year warranties for both commercial and residential properties. These warranties are so inexpensive, we often throw them in for free during a re-roof. It works like this. If you encounter a manufacturing defect anytime during the first 50 years after the installation, the warranty entitles you to a new roof, materials, and labor to install. Manufacturing defects include any cracking in the shingles. This occurs when you see vertical or horizontal cracks spanning a single shingle or many shingles together. Other manufacturing defects is any curling of the shingles. This is when the corners begin to curl up. Granular loss is also covered as a manufacturing defect. You can spot granular loss when any rough particles begin to fall off the shingles, leaving them bare. Granular loss is common and buildup will often be found in the gutters. One free transfer. Here's the catch. The warranty only transfers once for free. Meanwhile, the average homeowner only keeps their house for 7 to 15 years. Odds are you'll sell your house before the 50 years are up. And even if you transfer the warranty to the next owners, they'll probably sell it within the next 40 years too. Is it worth it? So, does it make sense to get a 50-year warranty? Yes, it does. It'll increase the value of your home. And if we throw it in for free, you should take it. If you're considering passing your home down to your children, this can keep their future expenses low. And if you're a property manager, this can prove particularly beneficial. With the average lifetime shingle only lasting 35 years, why not hedge your bets? It could pay off in the long run. Come on over and visit our site today for more information. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.